This is Litre Total Parts Pro today with 2018 Mazda CX-9 stock number 10355. It's wrapped on the 7th 2016 to the 12th 2024. It's a PY 2.5 litre 4-cylinder petrol engine backed by 6-speed automatic transmission. This is the PY 2.5 litre 4-cylinder petrol turbo engine. Left hand headlight, left front guard no dents, left front 20-inch factory Omega tyre, left hand door mirror, left front and left rear door no dents, left hand tail light, rear tailgate no dents, right hand tail light, right rear 20-inch factory Omega tyre, right rear door no dents, right hand door mirror, right front guard, right front 20-inch factory Omega tyre, right front door card, right front master switch, center console lid, automatic gear shifter, heated AC controls, factory touchscreen, sat-nav stereo, interior mirror, front courtesy light, sunglass holder, left front sun visor, right front sun visor, factory 3-spoke leather steering wheel, instrument cluster,